Hello student, I am Dr. Bharat Ghadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRT Art, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student friends, I warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about GGDT 114, Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. Now, the topic name is human settlement and topic title is patterns of settlements. Today we are going to the learn of this topic. Topic name is patterns of settlements. Now last lecture will be discussion from the different types of pattern, different types of settlements. We will discuss from the in linear pattern. And different types of settlements like compact settlement, semi-compact, nucleated, hamleted, disper pattern. These are the some types of settlements already discussed in last lecture. Now today will be discussed on pattern of settlements. Now this is the topic number 6 and last point here in this topic. The topic name is human settlement. Now first point is classification urban and rural. Now rural and urban know me, then site and situation aspect of settlement, types of compact, semi-compact, limited and dispersed. Now pattern of settlement is the last topic of the human settlements. Now discussion of the various pattern of settlements. Now first of all we do discussion from the what is meant by the pattern. Now the external shape of the morphological structure of settlements reveals some geometrical forms as a result. A definite layout of houses, street, open spaces, etc. In the relation to the field, this form is pattern defined as the relation of one dwelling to another. Sometimes, irrespective of sites, the relationship a dwelling present distinct from the village, which is itself is a natural growth of determined by the physical cultural setting of the regions. This is a comparison various factor find treatment of scale. Now, in ancient times, before the some about a pattern in present village, we may be passing of the reference of ancient rural settlement recognized by Buddhists, Jains, and Punikas literature. These are the some literature will be discussion from the different semi-culture pattern, avenue pattern, circular pattern, then settlement with trace plant in the four corners, then with the even groups of rings in the trees. These are the some discussion. Rural settlement plans very not acceptable present in true form based on descriptions. Now these are the some where these are the regular pattern will be discussion of the year. Now this is the some one obligated and modified during the long period history will be really realized visualized in the form of fruit trace of the valley villages, the pattern visible in the field, the large scale maps, cadastral maps refer in the record present is the detailed conscious planning of rural settlement. We find an arrangement in the internal structure element as well as the external outline of the villages. These compact villages comprehensively found at Middle Ganga Valley, Malwa region, present of defined layout, the unmixable connection between the one configuration of the site surface water, the nature of soils, cultivation grows with the shape of field. These pattern are closely related to the car track, road, mosque, temple, cultural elements, and also physical environment of the dwelling, like sites, caste community based on geometry systems play very important role aspect here the discussions of the different pattern of settlement. Now this is the different pattern of settlement will be discussion from the different patterns. So is the vertical differences, then houses types of based on the upon caste. Now these are prestigious and status of villages impact of depends significant element of determine the shape size of the villages in the past. It is still visualized of several rural settlement in many part of the world. Let's just now go into the various part of the in now one by one will be discussion from the sub introduced. There are many elements of settlements, types and pattern is most important elements of settlements, the components of three elements from the house, street, etc. Now what is meant by the pattern? Pattern of settlement has been defined as M. Jones, the relationship between the one house or building another to isolate. The relationship is a refer to a scale map. He thinks that often pattern is unrelated to sites. Site may have a little or no bearing of pattern to the site as well as historical cause. Now The to identify the factor is clear. First one is pattern refer to the geometric form, shapes of the settlement, which may be the different types. Now, the latter refers to the relationship in number of dwelling and number of sites. These are the two factors which will clearly indicate the patterns of settlements. Now, this is the various pattern. First one is rectangular square plan, and this is here. Now, this is ancient villages plans discussion earlier revealed that the plan in the heritage of the past. This is the easily adaptable or level plans under the plot culture. Now, it is easier to plot either rectangular plots. There was maintained to keep close relation with the orientation of dwelling, having the square and rectangular rooms. Now in Japan, China, respectively Jori, Hudson systems, land measure involved the reprogramming of the land into the square unit, which is related to the rectangular form of the settlement in Hilwa Plateau. This one is here. This is the types of here will be suppose this is the rectangular. This is the types of pattern. This is the one here respectively. This is the and now settlements from the Nelwa Plateau. This is the biggest system is land measure into the end product of these orientation plumbing systems, arrangement of path, houses find maximum places of compact villages such plans. Now traditional power the furlongs then become either 220 yards. The traditional width is the reach is 22 yards. Then in all the common lands measure in acre 484 square yards. In the area unit is plowing of the streets. The rectangular plan is conspicuously found as the proper Malwa Plateau. Numera plan is a Narmada Valley plan around the Maheshwar. This is rectangular villages may be the natural growth of rectangular square villages occupy the 4 square and crossing varying the size of the crowding and attractive respective force on the site. This is somewhere with the present of the morphological structure. Now go to the next point chessboard plans then pattern. This is a rough grid plan is visible some of the villages in Narmada Valley where the two main lanes interact each other, the center or the small lanes in the interior houses parallel to the four main types. In the between these lanes, houses arranged in sectors clustered well they found in corner. These cross sometimes serving words sectors from the open to all villages. Now, in this rough one is where the center of the people will be discussion from the year. Now the other small lanes either go to interior house parallel, formal main lanes. This is the between the these lanes houses are arranged in sector and caste. Wells are founded in one corner on lanes crossing sometimes serving a ward or the sector but open. All the caste peoples in the village, high caste Brahmins, Rajput occupy the central position of lower caste in the habited marginal area. This is part of Dharar and Manipur villages is such plans. Now central part of Manipur villages such plan. Now next one is a radial pattern. Now this is a radial pattern in such a village. Number of street houses coverage in the on the centers. This is important here. Now Nicholas occupies the Patel Rands, Gari and marketplace sometimes temple of Shiva and Hanumana. Now most of these villages is old origin representing ancient aggregations of maximum possible houses under the protection of Gari now will be situated at the center and villages where. Now next one is double dropper pattern. Now village is separated by roads, streets, small relevant pounds present, double and sometimes triple nucleation, particularly in level plans in the Narmada Valley and northern plateau regions in Elva and Bogor becomes. Now this is when most important here with the now different pattern in the stress central plans pattern. Now some villages is working in the rural market are linked with the neighboring towns by roads and lie in the both sides of roads and street present street village plans. Now sometimes houses are arranged in line along the open space resemble some pattern particularly found in Gond inhabited area of Bethel. Now this is the one word now. Such as pattern is utilized in Narmada Valley as well as upper lands. Now this is where is the uplands. Now next point is linear pattern. Thus, this is linear pattern is sometimes settlements develop one direction is calendar and stress calendar include the marsh village, forest village, attractive forest encourage linear growth, restrictive elements of marsh forest, highland prevent expansions or the other sides, linear plan extends along the track or pathway leading to ferry point of big villages. Now, next one is double linear pattern in the Narmada Valley, in the Hoshangabad. Some villages occupy the high ground spreading one direction and two lines separated and one car tracks or the one space leasing is built of forest. This is the double linear pattern. Now, next pattern is elongated plan pattern. Now, this is the dry point villages develop along with high level surface restricted by floods and restricted topography from the two sides from the elongated shapes. Now, sometimes houses is aligned along with the streams or the advantages of waterfront present such farms. Other in Narmada Valley, along a river represents well developed in elongated plans. Now, next one is a halo pattern. Now, in this halo pattern, I open the inbuilt space. Pond, height, ground setting, structure, pattern, temple is memory price lead. In the temple, began banyan of the type people is the tree occupy the central place of the settlement is compact from the resemble and plan visualize the many part of the words is exemplified is Kaljori, Perampur and Burunada in Zohara. These are the some examples where the hollow pattern. Now this is a L-shape pattern. Now L-shape pattern is sometimes at the junctions of the main roads and minor street attract two rectangular blocks and so houses meet in the right angles. The smaller blocks is represent new growth due to the attractive force of playing in one side greater forces and restrictive force pushing them to extend in one directions. Now Dogra, Kalhan, Karhuri, others in Narmada Valley, the Vairpura, Hoshangabad river represent the such plants. Now this is the different L-shaped pattern. Now next one is a T-shaped pattern. Now in this is some villages here the smaller lambs extend towards the cultivated field at an angle to give the L shape in new pond resembling the such lamb also develop from the main rectangular and elongated from the village to the T-shape pattern. Now in this T-shape pattern is like the T village is following the term is Sita Dungri and citable examples. Sita Dungri and citable examples. Now next one is semicircular pattern. Now this is this settlement develop along with the bends and trims. The crescent shapes of manders in the semicircular forms are separated by street, for example, Dai to the Dolari, Simari and Hoshangabad, Luchika, Maniar, Bila in Uttar Pradesh. Now next one is oval pattern. Sometimes restrictive forces determine the extent. The some villages is take the oval shapes of the houses handled together to occupy maximum available of space, particularly found in Narmada Valley or Nimar upland valley. Now next one is a triangular pattern. Now in the triangular pattern, sometimes sites of villages provide the peculiar triangular shapes in main block, formatting the base, others extension growing inwards. Now is the apex to show the figures such as Tali. This is the triangular pattern. Now next pattern is ditch well pattern. Now ditch well pattern depends very important here. Depends is play important significant role for constructing a wall and detached around the village compact from the especially in Guna and Sagar district. This is the very important here. Now showing the distinct pattern. Now next one is horse shown pattern, which a horse shown pattern is on the accurate bends of the river meanders in the spatial from the settlement is visualized from the name of horse shown plans, which is Bahmangaon, Kalhan and Chitwas. Some oblong villages are found along with the higher leaves, oxbow lakes as or the abundant channels of the rivers. Now next one is a polygonal pattern. Polygonal pattern, many of the world being compact villages, both of the plates. All the Narmada Valley represent distinct geometrical forms of hexagon, octagon, polygon, radiating aggregation of the dwelling in the diverse cast of the fertile soil. This is the polygonal pattern. Now next is a amorphous pattern. Now, most of the villages grow the resident regular physical surrounding, with hamlet having the dispersion, having the no definite pattern under a single noriculture, hence the amorphous pattern seen based of this derivation. These are the amorphous pattern. This is here. Will be discussion for simply amorphous based interior countryside, where every direction to the field street pathway is rightly stated. Udgir, Mahaudul, Asar villages treated elsewhere present similar morphological structure. Now this is where is from the amorphous pattern. Now next pattern is green villages. Now in these green villages, very important, Dudley Step recorded many villages are green in England, which is the origin from forest clearing. Now important here to the these protected animals and resembles bedwooker, other enclosure of settlement in Africa. They also act to the partial center, social center, market center, defense center, etc. Now they may be recognized by the shapes as their regions. Now next one is a plan village plans. Means is another one more pattern from plan villages. A few models villages are planned to get definite shapes. They are also called as garden villages. England mostly is providing residences to industrial employees. New model villages settlements in the India are organized by the non-government organization as well as government colonies represent a plan pattern. Now whereas farmer USSR represent another types of layout from the agriculture organization. These are the another one more important here. Now, in a communal settlement is insular colony settlement is a managers show the plan character of shapes. These new ideal villages for coming Indian landscape in various amenities, industrial structures and depiction of plan layout. Now in this way, various patterns of settlements are found in various regions. These are the different types of settlements for the different way with wall pattern, triangular pattern, ditcher wall, horse hole, polygon pattern, amorphous pattern, green villages, semi-culturals, linear patterns, sample villages. These are the different types of pattern will be discussion. Where is found in the type of pattern will be diagram will be show here. Student, any doubt, any query, ask anytime or write a mail bharatgadak@ktechmcollege.ec.in. Student, today we stop here. This topic is cover. Now so all this point cover in this topic will be today discussed. For next topic will be continue. Next lecture. Okay, good day. Bye bye.